morning students. Now in this video again we are going to discuss some questions based on the rule V bod mass. Now see, this is the question: 4 whole 4 by 5 divide 3 by 5 of 5 plus 4 by 5 multiply 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. Now again we are going to solve this question by the rule of V bod mass. First of all we will solve Vinculum, but we will find that there is no Vinculum. Second, we are going to solve the brackets according to the order, but here we find that there are no brackets. Now we come to O. O stands for off. We are finding there is one off. Off means multiply. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. It will come 24 by 5 divide 3 into 1, that is 3, plus 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. We are not going to disturb any other value. Now we will come to the divide. We will solve this part. 24 by 5 multiply 1 by 3 plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Now 3 ones are 3, 8s are. It will come 8 by 5 plus 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Now we are going to solve multiply here. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Now it will come 8 upon 5 plus 2 3s are 6, 5 5s are 25 minus 1 by 5. Now we can solve this by taking out the LCM. LCM will be 25. 5 divided by this 5, 5 8 ja 40 plus 6 minus 5. 40 plus 6 will be 46 and 46 minus 5 will be 41 upon 25. Now we are going to change this value into mixed fraction. 25 1 ja 25, that is 1 whole 16 upon 25, and that will be the result. So now see next question, that will be of simplification only. Now see question number second. Question number second is given as 3 whole 1 by 4 divide 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 2, 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Now see, in this question you will find, first of all we will find a Vinculum. So we are going to solve this part because according to the rule Vinculum comes first. So first of all we will change all the values into improper. It will become 13 by 4 divide 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2. Take out the LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. 4 3s are and 6 2s are. Yes. Now 13 by 4 divide 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 12. Now we are going to solve the bracket, but in the bracket we are going to solve this parenthesis part, small bracket first. So rest weather values no need to disturb. 13 by 4 divide 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So 2 and 12, LCM will be 12 here. 2 6 are 6 5 are 30 minus 12, 12, 1. Now 13 by 4 divide 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. If no sign is there, so by default we take it as a multiplication sign. Multiply 29 upon 12. Now 13 by 4 divide, we'll solve this multiply first, so it will come 5 upon 4 minus 29 upon 24. So again it will come 13 by 4 divide LCM of 4 and 24. So 2, 12, 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So here it will come 4 6 6 5 30 minus 29. Now 13 by 4 divide 30 minus 29, that is 1 by 24. Now at the last we are going to solve this square bracket. So 13 by 4 multiply 24 upon 1, 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja, 13 6 ja, 78, and this will be our answer. So now see, next question based on the simplification. Now question number 4th. Now it is given as 32 minus 48 divide 36 minus 27 minus 16 minus 9. Now in this question again we are going to solve by the rule of V bod mass. First of all we will solve here Vinkalam. So 32 minus 48 divide 36 minus 27 minus 16 minus 9. It will be your that will be 7. Now 32 minus 48 divide 36 minus 27 minus 7 will be 20. So 32 minus 48 divide 36 minus 20 will be your 16. 32 minus then 48 divided by 16, that is 3, and 32 minus 3 will be 29, and that will be our answer. Now see next question. Question number 5th. It is given as 8 minus 28 divide 34 minus 36 minus 18 divide by 9 into 8. Now see how we are going to solve this question. So 8 minus 28, first of all we are going to solve the bracket, and this smaller bracket we are going to solve first. 28 divide 34 minus, and in this smaller bracket we are going to apply the rule of BODMAS, that is first of all divide, then multiply, then addition and subtraction. So first of all we will solve this divide, rest other values we will not touch. 18 divided by 9 will be 2, multiply by 8. 8 minus 28 divide 34 minus, again after divide we will find multiply, so 36 minus 2 8 ja 16. So 8 minus 28 divide 34 minus 36 minus 16 will be your 20. Now again we are going to solve this curly bracket. So 8 minus 28 divide 34 minus 20, it will be your 14. So 8 minus 28 divided by 14 will be your 2, and 8 minus 2 will be your 6. Now let us see one more question, and this will be the last question of this chapter. Question number 6. It is given as 5 whole 1 by 2 of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. Now first of all we are going to change all. First of all we are going to solve the win column, but we will find no win column, then bracket. First of all then we are going to solve this bracket part. It will come 11 by 2 of, inside the bracket LCM here it will be 15, 3 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3, 3 3 is 9, plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. Now 11 by 2 of 10 minus 9, 1 upon 15 plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. Now we are going to solve, after bracket it will come off, we are going to solve this off part. So nothing will be cancelled, 11 ones are 11, 15 twos are 30, plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. Now after off we will come to divide part. So it will be 11 by 30 plus 1 by 2 multiply 11 by 5. Now nothing will be cancelled, so 11 by 30 plus 11 upon 2 5s are 10. At the last we are going to add this, take out the LCM of 30 and 10. LCM will be 30 here, it will come 11 plus 3, 33. So 44 upon 30, you can do it in lowest term also, it will come 2 times 22, 2 times 15. So it is coming 22 upon 15. At the last we will solve in mixed fraction, it will come 1 whole 7 upon 15, and this will be our answer. So these are the questions based on the simplification and on the rule method of BODMAS. So this is all about your chapter simplification. Thank you.